Hello my fellow Retromaniacs and welcome to Let's Explore Microsoft Office 97 Experience CD-ROM. After exploring those Windows sampler CDs and home collection CDs, I was puzzled how none of them mentioned Microsoft Word, even though or Microsoft Office, even though Office, Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Access, it was their flagship product. But I guess they thought that we don't want to advertise Office along with Microsoft Bob or Microsoft Dinosaurs. The Office is for business users, corporate audience. They don't want to see about ads for Microsoft Entertainment Pack or Arcade Collection. I searched the Internet Archive whether there's any samplers for corporate software, and there doesn't seem to be too many, but I found this one Office Experience. So let's hope this has some videos or tutorials, or I don't know. But I guess there was quite big separation between the workspace business users and home users. Even the Windows usually had a home edition, and then we had a business edition, or server side edition, Windows or Windows NT and those kinds of things. So let's see. Okay, it's just Office 97 demo. I will just go with the defaults. Hopefully there's some cool video clips. I was hoping trailer for Office. Oh, this looks more like it. Welcome to Microsoft Office 97. Hi, I'm Bill Gates. Manage your time. Integrate your work. Turn data into information. Yeah, those glasses, they were popular in the mid-90s. Chuppies had those always. Get connected. The World Wide Web. Share information. Publish on the web. Terraform. Link to the web. Mega Hyper Cyber Meganet. How I might help you? Homer Simpson, Associate President. Easier, smarter, faster. It's Patty. Hypercompute Meganet or something like that.
Welcome to the main menu.
Oh. I wonder if I don't do anything, will they start the demo? Yeah, Sometimes I wish I had been like young adult in the mid-90s. I would have enjoyed getting an office job and doing like these Word and Excel and Outlook and Access and PowerPoint and probably not front page, because usually corporate websites, at least in the 90s, they used like, what was that, like CGI files, or like some kind of like API files when they did the server side stuff. But yeah, I feel like the technology has like gone past and made the office work too stressful nowadays, because it's not enough to like know how to use Word or Excel or PowerPoint. You have to like know all kinds of like AI tools and weird all kinds of communicating tools. I don't even know what are the most used corporate tools nowadays.
Microsoft Office 97. With Microsoft Office 97, it's easy to get organized, get connected, and get results.
Yeah, it's like, I wonder if I really should change my color.
Welcome to the main menu. Microsoft Office 97. With Microsoft Office 97,
Okay, how do you like that? It's ugly, but you wanted this.
welcome to the main Microsoft Office 97. With Microsoft Office 97,
Okay, now it works.
it's easy to get organized, get connected, and get results.
Wow. Get organized.
Welcome to Microsoft Office 97, the world's best-selling office suite. Office 97 delivers powerful productivity applications that make it easier than ever to organize the information and tasks you work with every day. Office 97 now contains Microsoft Outlook, an easy-to-use desktop information manager that organizes all of your critical desktop activities into a single application. Microsoft Outlook provides one window into your world of information, enabling you to send email, schedule your calendar, maintain your list of
This
contacts,
doesn't work, this volume control.
and organize your documents and files.
Now it works.
And because all of Outlook's modules work together, you can organize, find, view, and share information quickly and easily. With Microsoft Outlook, you can communicate more efficiently within your organization or across the globe. Tight integration with Microsoft Office lets you use Word as your email editor. And to help you get the most from your email, Outlook contains an auto preview function.
Yeah, I never used Outlook.
The first 3 lines of all your
You
email
always used like
That means you can prioritize your messages
browser,
and respond to those that
email.
You can be even more productive by flagging important email items for follow-up.
Even before Google
And Outlook's seamless
Gmail.
integration means you can drag and drop an email message onto the Outlook bar to create a new task or appointment on your calendar. With Outlook's calendar, you get a flexible way to manage your appointments and commitments by the month, week, or with a day-by-day view of your activity.
Yeah, no smartphones.
Built-in alarms help remind you of approaching deadlines.
Yeah, you have to have computer open to get that alarm.
Task Manager lets you create tasks and set deadlines so that you can
But obviously, all like pro businessmen had a
Outlook's Contact Manager
communicator or a Palm device,
group contacts by specific needs. View just
along with laptop, of course.
and search your address book with the click of a button. Outlook's Journal lets you work smarter and stay organized. Outlook works behind the scenes to track the work you do on your PC. You can see how much time you spent on a given task, get fast access to documents you created, and even see what time of day you opened and closed files. With the Outlook Journal's revolutionary timeline view, you can track your activities based on when you worked on them, rather
Revolutionary.
than saved or what they were named.
Office demo maker.
If you've ever had to
Whoever made this demo
files into one report,
used himself as
you'll love the Office Binder. Simply
an example.
put the files you need into the binder and save it as one unique file,
Office Binder.
with all the editing and printing capabilities you'd expect.
Never knew about that.
Office Binder lets you easily create consistent headers, footers, and page numbers.
I wonder if there's such thing still.
in the binder, so you get a compact,
Office.
consistent look throughout. Get Office 97 and get organized. You'll accomplish more than ever before. With Microsoft Office 97, it's
Yeah, at one point, I didn't have any Office. I had Open Office. But there was some like problems with, you cannot save a Word file. So, or maybe you can, but when you create those like opt files, there was like problems with other people, but they didn't know how to open them or something like that. So usually when I install new Windows or have fresh Windows, I usually get Office. I say get. I don't wanna talk about it. How do I get it? But yeah.
Microsoft
Harness the potential of the internet.
Harness the full potential of the internet.
The
It's
internet.
easier than ever to link to a website, find the information you need, publish your documents to a website, and work together with others.
Yeah, this was just so exciting era to be working for like
Create links within your documents to files on the internet, an intranet, or network. Just type
in
your email address and word
in business and corporations where
hyperlink to that site.
that use like internet sites.
You can even create a hyperlink from an image or a piece of text to other Office 97 files.
Obviously people still use Office, but
You can use the Office 97
I
web
think nowadays everything is so like online.
website or hyperlink from document just like in your
People use more smartphones than
the Word 97
desktop
document
computers, so
long documents easier to read.
obviously it's easier to write
Screen after screen
with the
to
keyboard
you can
than
click on a heading in the
using your thumbs.
and hyperlink directly to the
But
information
still,
you want.
and I think many people now like create the template
Microsoft Office 97
or
integrates
most of the text with
Microsoft Internet Explorer
AI,
2.0 to allow users
then just edit it.
to access, view, and edit
So
information
you don't even need to be able to write
no matter where
no more.
Office 97 documents actually open up inside the browser, giving you the full power of the Office 97 application.
Oh,
and
I
the
didn't know about that.
simplification of the browser.
Maybe I didn't download all the functions of the Office.
HTML pages
Or
without
there's like different versions of Office, home version and
Internet
business version.
and predefined templates. Office 97 helps you to create graphically appealing home pages, menus, and multimedia effects with the click of a button.
Well, maybe for 1997 standards,
Office 97 enables you to pull live
those HTML files are
work with it within your applications. Updates
Are
portfolios, sports,
adequate
weather reports,
enough.
and more. You can even import an entire web page of information into Microsoft Excel to analyze it, chart it, and share it with others.
Cool.
Office 97 makes it easy to share information with
What about intranet?
send email,
I think that's more important
send fax, or link to a
than
website
the internet.
in Outlook. Just drag a contact card to your inbox, and Outlook pre-addresses.
Well, I guess, like system admin,
highlight a contact, and
they have their like own
with the click of a
versions or own programs.
Using Office 97, you and your colleagues can work together on files, revise documents, and even track all the changes. Use the reviewing toolbar in Word 97 to easily accept or reject changes.
Oh, I didn't know that reviewing was already
Get Microsoft
that
Office
early versions.
Get connected. With Microsoft Office 97, it's easy to get connected and get results.
Yeah, I would be interested in also like seeing these kinds of like demo disks for like admin server side Microsoft products. Not that I know anything about them, I have never done any like server stuff, or I don't know how to manage a server, but it would be interesting to see like these retro tutorials or like presentations about like about the Windows NT or Windows Network, how to set up a intranet or something like that, if there's such CD-ROMs. Can I click these? So yeah, there's professional version, I guess that's for big corporations that need like smooth connectivity between the PC units and the mainframe, and then the home version or small business is the standard version.
Microsoft Office 97 is intelligent, personalized software that works the way you want to. Whether it's fixing common errors on the fly or giving you...
Are they using that
Office 97 helps you achieve the results you want.
This Pro keyboard.
Microsoft Office 97 makes it easy to create professional-looking documents and presentations. All the applications in Office 97 work together as one. You get consistent toolbars, menus, features, and commands across Office applications. So you spend less time learning your software and more time getting your work accomplished. Office 97 introduces the revolutionary Office Assistant. This on-screen personal guide helps you learn new functions and features, enabling you to get the most from your software.
Clippy.
The Office Assistant is completely customizable. Not only can you choose...
Genius, Cripple. Yeah, I don't think many like business users or programmers or anyone serious people appreciated that Microsoft added those childish characters from the Microsoft Bob.
Word's background spelling and grammar check correct spelling.
Yeah, they were very like an infantile idea.
Now catches common formula errors and provides a corrected alternative. Office 97 lets you complete tasks in simple, easy-to-understand ways. The table drawing tool in Word is now as easy to use as a pencil and eraser. And in Microsoft Excel, you can create formulas using the names of column and row headings instead of complex mathematical formulas.
Yeah, wonder if nowadays, you can just like ask
a powerful new drawing
from the Excel AI to just like calculate regression without any formulas or something like that.
Office 97 lets
with their like
time and effort you've already spent
AI, they probably
and helps you read
incorporated it with every of their software. Like even Notebook has that AI nowadays.
Finder lets you find and reorganize the slides you've already created to assemble a new presentation And Custom Shows lets you tailor presentations.
What was it called again?
Using a single PowerPoint file. With Office 97 and the IntelliMouse, you can scroll around.
Oh, Copilot, yeah. Yeah, I never use it because I don't wanna
Office 97 helps you
my computer to,
documents and presentations. You can graphics, animations, and multimedia effects in work that grabs
get data from my PC to servers.
Microsoft Office 97.
It's a privacy issue.
With Microsoft Office 97, it's easy to get organized, get connected, and get results.
This is supposed to be clickable. No. This is the main menu. Okay, well, let's check front page. Oh, let's take PowerPoint.
Microsoft PowerPoint 97. With Microsoft
Oh, wait a second.
Microsoft Office 97. With Microsoft Office 97, Microsoft
Okay, I
Office
see.
97 Standard Edition.
Okay. Let's see Office demo. Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook. Okay, deluxe access and publisher. Front page.
With Microsoft Office 97, Microsoft Office 97 Professional Edition. With Microsoft Office 97, we've made it easy to make the move to Office 97 and bring your past work with you. Office 97 allows you to easily open other application files such as WordPerfect, Lotus 123, and many more.
Lotus.
Specialized help topics will.
I don't know what happened to Lotus. Is it still is there still such program
show you how easy it is to
as Lotus 123?
And if you ever have a question, remember, you can always ask the Office Assistant for help. With Microsoft Office 97, it's easy to get organized, get connected, and get results.
No, last version was in 2002. Okay. Isn't this the main menu?
Welcome to the main menu. Microsoft Office 97. With Microsoft Office 97,
Okay.
to get Microsoft PowerPoint 97. With Microsoft PowerPoint 97, you can easily organize, powerfully illustrate, and professionally deliver your ideas. Easy to use, ready-made content, new graphic tools, and built-in multimedia effects make it easier than ever to create compelling, visually captivating presentations. With PowerPoint 97, you can communicate your ideas in presentations at the office, on the road, even over the internet.
Yeah, especially with the transitions. You can make cool effects. Like those. Zip.
Get a head start on creating the content and look for your presentation by selecting one of over 35 new templates included in the Auto Content Wizard. For more advice on creating effective presentations, check out the templates from Dale Carnegie Training. PowerPoint helps you build new presentations quickly by making it easy to reuse slides from existing presentations. Use Slide Finder to browse through old presentations, select the slides you wish to use, and insert them in a new PowerPoint presentation. Use Custom Shows to quickly assemble a new version of a presentation tailored to a different audience from a single PowerPoint file. Simply choose a subset of the slides you wish to present, and the custom show will display only those slides you've selected for your specific audience.
All right. Yeah, I guess they only show like new functions or features and not like the basic stuff. because they expect you like coming from Office 95 or 96.
Your audience expects and demands well-organized presentations that look professional. PowerPoint.
Yeah, I don't think clip art will make it look professional.
Clearly communicate your ideas and capture attention. Even if you can't draw a stick figure, PowerPoint can help you illustrate your ideas with ready-made pictures.
Yeah, I wonder whoever used these clip arts, because they are so cheesy, stupid.
To suggest images, sounds, and movies to combine with your ideas.
Especially,
For even more images, use the internet.
Coming to 2000s, maybe in 1992 they were great, but
drawing tools let you customize the look of your presentations with features like flowcharts.
oh my god. Yeah, if I worked for like some people who use that kind of PowerPoint to PowerPoint design, I would fire them at that point immediately.
Cylinders and pyramids.
Sorry.
You can also more easily modify your charts using helpful.
I got fired because my PowerPoint sucked.
Textures and backgrounds. For even more impact, you can animate your chart as it builds.
Yeah, you never should use 3D.
You can capture your audience's attention with exciting.
Unless it's three-dimensional.
By choosing effects from a simple menu.
Yeah, 3D bar visualization should never be used. It just makes it more difficult to see compared to 2D view. It just confuses people.
Now you can communicate your ideas
because you have to look at the 3D clues.
New features enable you to deliver your ideas
shadows
in a corporate network, as well as in high-traffic public places like a kiosk at a trade show or the internet. When you're ready to deliver your presentation, PowerPoint's Pack and Go wizard helps you take it on the road by compressing all the files you need onto diskettes.
Diskettes. USB sticks.
Create and deliver exciting multimedia presentations that others can navigate in your absence, complete with buttons that allow them to move forward or back in your presentation. You can even add voiceover narration or create hyperlinks in your presentations out to the World Wide Web.
Yeah, I once made a PowerPoint presentation with YouTube video on it.
On the internet are easy to create in PowerPoint using the Save As HTML wizard. The wizard walks you through the process step by step. You won't have to worry about any of the HTML code or learn anything new.
I wonder if people still use PowerPoint, or do they use some other tools like those like mass call apps that are on browser. I don't know. Show me.
Front page 97. Front Page is the easy way to create and manage professional quality websites without programming. Because Front Page is designed from the ground up to work with Microsoft Office applications, you can use familiar programs like Microsoft Excel, Word, PowerPoint, and Access to create content for your website. Front Page then makes it simple to incorporate this content into websites that you can publish on the World Wide Web.
Okay, now we got like 6 different things. Nice animation there.
Front Page is
what icons
for everyone. Features like Web Wizard, seamless editing and management tools, and the familiar Office interface means you don't have to learn new software commands. Instead, you can focus on creating content and delivering a powerful site.
Yeah, that was the thing I was
walk you step by step
thinking.
The process of creating an entire site, including all links, pages, feedback forms, and functionality.
But how does it connect with, like, MySQL database or?
You can
server-side things.
Front page can help you build your own website.
It's probably going to be like static website only, no PHP.
Front Page Explorer makes it easy to build and manage your website by providing a view at a glance of your site. Instantly, you can see the structure of your site, including all links and the relationship between pages. In the Explorer, you can create hyperlinks within your site, link out to third-party websites, or repair broken links.
Buffalo 1. Bob. Buffalo Bill. Explore as a roadmap in cyberspace. Pace.
Front Page makes it easy to get the most from the work you've already created in Office. Use Windows 95 Explorer to find the documents you want to use in your website, highlight them, then drag and drop them into the folder view within the Front Page Explorer. Now you have native Office documents in your website.
Okay. What's with the white space there?
The Front Page Editor provides an intuitive way of creating custom backgrounds, images, and textures, clip art, and graphics. With just a few mouse clicks, you can create a wallpaper using a company logo, adapt headers and subheads with different formatting and color treatments, incorporate photographs, or add a table to hold images and data.
That's so 90s website. Yeah, I guess if you want to make a 90s looking website, get yourself a old version of a Front Page and use the templates.
Elements in your site, you'll want to organize your content. The Front Page Table tool makes it easy to organize information on your web pages. Just pull down the Table tool, draw out the table size you need, select the cells, then choose a color and background. Front Page does the rest, and what would once have taken hours of trial and error in HTML now is accomplished in minutes.
With borders and
built-in WebBot components enable even novice users to take advantage of advanced functions like CGI scripts that can perform
CGI
search of your entire website. In seconds, your users can search your site, find the information they need, and link to it.
Yeah, I wonder what happened to CGI scripts. I think they disappeared. Maybe when people transferred to Flash. But then I don't know what's the current alternative for CGI scripts.
Front Page is the easy way to create and manage professional quality. When it comes time to publish your website on the internet, Front Page makes it simple to transfer your files to an internet service provider. With a few button clicks, the Front Page prompts will automatically assemble your website and transfer your files to your internet service provider. To make it easy to view the design of your site as it appears in different browsers, Front Page includes a preview function. Preview in Browser enables you to bring up all the browsers stored on your desktop. Then you can open the site in different browsers in different window sizes to check their appearance. You'll know exactly how your site will look when your audience hits your website.
Level the playing field. With Front Page, I can publish my work to an audience that numbers in the millions. My site can deliver services, information, entertainment, just as effectively as huge publishing conglomerates. If your audience hits in millions, you probably need quite a hefty server-side plan. I don't think GeoCities or Tripod is enough to handle millions of users. And you probably want to put some ads as well. Yeah, I never knew how in the 90s people got money from ads, because there was no AdSense. They make personal deals with corporations, and they send they send money and they give you a banner, but how would they know about the statistics from your website? And I don't know, it seems quite weird. You know, if you had like static website homepage with million users, how would you sell ads there?
Front Page 97 also includes the bonus pack, which gives you all the tools you need to create, manage, post, view, and compose great graphics for your website. With the bonus pack, you get Microsoft Image Composer, an easy-to-use tool for creating rich graphics.
It's just
Microsoft Internet Explorer 3.0, the most advanced browser available.
probably wanna buy Photoshop.
And Microsoft Personal Web Server, a powerful web server for staging your front page websites.
What the hell is that? Personal web server. You have to pay for Microsoft, but don't you have your own homepage like GeoCities? I don't know. I don't think GeoCities accepted FTP, but obviously there were other options back then. Okay, publisher I've never used really, because I have never had a use for it.
Sometimes a
Oh, this is like totally different.
until it can be shared. Introducing Microsoft Publisher 97, the program that
Different demo.
create brochures, newsletters, flyers, websites, and much more. Customize and publish your documents with results so impressive that people will think you hired a professional.
But yeah, they also, the CD home collection had like
Always begins here with the Page Wizard.
similar type of
Suppose you want to create a
software, but I guess those were like
answer a few simple questions about how you envision.
easier to use.
Page Wizard will need to know
It's usually meant for like greeting cards or something like that, birthday cards.
plan to use in your document.
This is more like serious stuff.
Now you add your own text and graphics. Illustrate your layouts by choosing from more than 5,000 clip art images, more than 150 digital photographs,
Wow.
own scanned images, all of which can be modified to suit your exact needs.
Yeah, you want to pixelate them.
Compose your text directly in Publisher. Import it from your word processor, or write and edit your text using the Word Story Editor in Microsoft Word. Use the sophisticated design tools included in Publisher 97 to add impact to your document and speed up your design process. Once you get your desired results, you'll want to publish your piece. Depending on how many copies you require, you can output the document at home, in the office, at any quick printer or service bureau.
Service Bureau.
Wide audience? No problem. Microsoft Publisher 97 now allows you to publish to the World Wide Web.
Wow.
You won't have to count on a designer to correctly interpret your vision.
I wonder how many websites were made with
Quality results
Microsoft Publisher.
Microsoft Publisher 97.
Is it better than front page?
Sometimes a great notion isn't great until it can be shared. Introducing Microsoft Publisher 97, the program that helps you easily create brochures, newsletters,
Oh no, it's just
flyers, websites, and much more. Customize and publish your documents with results so impressive that people will think you hired a professional. In Publisher 97, the CD Deluxe version now contains over 5,000 pieces of clip art,
yeah, you already said.
150 fonts, and 100
Imagine the font collection in 1994 version. You had to
photographs from
pay money for like 40 different fonts.
more than 1,000 additional clip art images from the Clip Gallery Live website. Simply
What the hell
download
is that?
drawings,
Clip Gallery Live.
sounds, or video clips that you want. Microsoft Publisher 97 adds 3 new page wizards and 100 new page wizard design templates. A postcard wizard guides you through
So cool. You don't need any other versions.
with compliments card wizard, and to be sure you're ready to face the future,
I wonder what would happen if you like made your work
into high impact online
with getting Office 97, use it on DOSBox, and then your boss comes to see what you're doing, like, and he or she is like, "What the hell? What is that Office version? Why aren't you using an up-to-date version?"
From almost any other database. You can even use mail.
Well, sorry, I like this version. It's great. Just look at this advert.
Microsoft Publisher 97 provides
It's great.
quality content.
You don't need anything else.
You need to design and publish professional quality projects.
Well, I guess you can use still like Word 97 and make Word documents, which you can then edit with modern Word, but yeah. I guess there's some backward compatibility. What's going on with my cursor? It's going apeshit. CD Deluxe now contains over.
The CD Deluxe version.
Okay. Yes, there's even a trial version. Access.
Microsoft Access 97. Access 97 provides relational database power to give you the information you need.
Yeah, this is another software I have never really used because I never
share information over
done any,
internet and build faster business solutions.
corporate business stuff. So, in effect, I've only used Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. Maybe I tried front page, but yeah, obviously Word is the most I still use Word, and Excel. I sometimes still use Excel for like creating some tables, but I guess nowadays people they like prefer like Google Docs or Google Spreadsheets because it's just so easier to access online. You just give the link and you can anyone can contribute there or view it. So yeah, I think Google has really eaten the share of like Office users. But I think the Office is still like de facto Office, software.
Commands and tools shared by all other Microsoft Office products, so you can take advantage of the software knowledge you already have to get up and running quickly. Build your database from scratch or use the database wizard to automatically create tables, queries, forms, and reports. Choose from more than 20 customizable templates for business and personal use, such as home inventory, membership lists, order entry, and more. Access even includes sample data so you can get up and running quickly. Sometimes you know only a piece of the information you're trying to find. That's when filter by selection comes in really handy. Just simply highlight what you're looking for, press a button, and quickly see all the records that match your selection.
Okay. More published to web.
Access makes it simple to share timely information with others, regardless of where they are. The Publish to the Web wizard can automatically convert your document into HTML format, the language of the World Wide Web. Best of all, you never have to learn a line of code. Access even allows you to easily set up a live view of your data on your intranet. This allows others to query, update, or even add information to your database.
Okay, but shouldn't you have like MySQL installed? You need like admin username and password. I don't know how this works. Millions of potential customers can see it. Again, it seems that whatever software you use, front page or publisher, or access, you can just get millions of users or viewers immediately. Yeah, well, maybe if you are publishing that thing in India, I think it's rather difficult if you're publishing it, like, for example, in Iceland, because there are no million Icelanders.
Access offers significantly improved performance over previous 32-bit versions to help you build faster business solutions. The Performance Analyzer wizard will even suggest additional ways to make your existing database run faster. Best of all, it implements these suggestions for you with your approval.
Who the hell is this? It looks like some kind of actor. Okay. Yeah, so yeah, this is not like tutorial. It's just like demo presentation for the new features, but I guess there's also like CD-ROMs or tutorial CDs for like Word and Excel and Access and so on.
Microsoft Outlook 97. Outlook is an easy-to-use desktop information manager that organizes all your critical desktop activities in a single application. Outlook provides one window to your world of information, enabling you to send email, schedule your calendar, maintain your list of contacts, manage tasks, and organize your documents and files.
Okay.
Because Outlook uses the same consistent interface as all other Microsoft Office applications, you'll be up to speed quickly.
I wonder if there was a version for like Windows OS, Palm computer, or Nokia communicator, because obviously having these like schedules or journals doesn't really help if you are out of the office or offline or at home. Obviously nowadays everyone is connected 24/7 thanks to their smartphones, but
Email functionality lets you communicate effectively and efficiently,
which kind of makes it a little bit annoying that there's no like offline time anymore.
anytime, anywhere, to anyone.
Back then you were only able to contact when you were sitting on
Word as an
in front of the desk, literally.
An Excel template as an active document. Features designed into Outlook's email function help you take advantage of effective time management techniques by turning your inbox into a to-do list. You can flag messages in your inbox, group them by topic or category, then place them in folders for quick access. To help you get the most from email, Outlook includes an auto preview function that displays the first 3 lines of all your email messages. That means you can prioritize your email, respond rapidly, and avoid wasting time on electronic junk mail.
Yeah, and then you get I love you message, and then you get the virus, and it will spread over the whole intranet, and the whole firm is infected with virus and space filler, and damn Martha, why did you click that link? I thought it was from Erin, because I thought he loved me.
Use the Outlook calendar to get control of your schedule and manage your time more effectively. For a better look at your schedule,
Yeah, I never knew. I always thought that Outlook was only about email.
or as a day-by-day view of your activities. Outlook is fully integrated, and that means you can drag and drop contacts into your calendar to arrange meetings, remind yourself of upcoming commitments and approaching deadlines. A built-in reminder feature will alert you as meetings and deadlines approach.
I used calendar's built-in reminder. Oh yes, not on around a finger. Yeah, doesn't help if you don't know the reason why you have a dot around a finger.
To keep your contacts in order, Outlook's Contact Manager helps you keep track of people and obligations. For greater efficiency, you can organize your list of contacts in phone list view or by category or company name. Powerful software allows you to send email to your contacts directly from the module or access a contact's website with a single mouse click.
Yeah, I wonder if they allow mass mailing. I remember I got banned from an email server because I was supposed to send 300 invitations or 500 invitations, but I just used the webmail and my account got banned. I don't know how you're supposed to do those if you want to
Outlook is an easy-to-use desktop information manager.
send bulk mail. Maybe you need to have server-side admin permission for that.
Outlook's Task Manager lets you create tasks, set deadlines, and even attach documents associated with that task. Outlook integrates your task list and calendar with drag and drop functionality. Tasks can be dragged from the task list into the calendar, then a time can be scheduled to complete each task.
Yeah, I still use sticky notes because, even though I have a sticky notes app on my phone, sometimes I just ignore it. So it's good to have physical. If it's very important, it's good to have a physical sticky note somewhere where you see it.
Outlook's Journal module lets you work smarter and stay organized. Behind the scenes, the journal tracks the work you do on your PC, how much time you spend on a given task, even what time of day you open and closed files. Meanwhile, it creates a record of your activity, which provides a built-in way for you to automatically and accurately track time spent on projects and activities. Use the Document Explorer to handle your desktop-related file management activities. Browse the contents of your hard drive or a network file server, search for individual files, and open the ones you want, all from Outlook.
Cool. Yeah, I wonder how many Outlook users actually use these built-in functionality. I think most people just use the basic Outlook
Outlook's email functionality, Microsoft Excel 97.
inbox, outbox usage and never use the other features.
Microsoft Excel 97 breaks down the barriers of traditional spreadsheets, making it easier than ever to analyze, report, and share your data. Whether you're an expert or a novice, Excel 97 provides answers you can count on. Creating formulas becomes easier than ever. Use your own terminology when writing equations, and Excel will translate them into formulas based on your row and column headings. Excel makes it easy to view and edit the calculations that make up your formulas. Just double-click on a cell and Rangefinder adds color-coded frames that identify each part of your formula. Simply drag and drop the frames to change the makeup of your equation. Now you can spot extraordinary sales, outstanding invoices, or any other variable critical to your data at a glance. Set formatting rules to automatically highlight key data points that meet the conditions you specify.
Yeah, that's useful. Instead of dealing with complex mathematical formulas to perform spreadsheet operations. I simply type in the names of familiar row and column heading. Microsoft Excel works the way I work, only faster and more accurately. Yeah, but you know, still need to know why to use some formulas. You cannot just blindly do analysis if you don't know what you're dealing with. But yeah, I always hated a little bit Excel because it, you know, sometimes, you know, in Finnish versions you use, for example, comma for decimal separator, while in many like data you get, they use period or dot, so that would always cause big problems when you have to convert between Finnish data and non-Finnish data that has different decimal separator.
How to lay out your spreadsheet in a way that goes beyond the strict grid functionality of traditional spreadsheets. Office art makes
And also the formula use is different.
In addition, the chart wizard has been redesigned for easier chart building.
For Nordic, Scandinavian use, I think it doesn't use semicolon.
Visual printing ensures your Excel spreadsheet will print out exactly the way you envision it. Simply drag and drop page breaks and each page automatically resizes to fit your specifications. You'll know exactly what your output will look like before you print it out.
Well, that's useful. Before printing 1,000 copies of wrong page, incorrectly designed page. More HTML.
Workbooks make it simple for multiple users to work together on the same document
on the internet.
Excel 97 will even automatically track who made what changes and when they made them. Sharing information has never been so easy. Excel web queries pull changing information such as stock prices from a worldwide website directly into your existing spreadsheet. You can tap into a global database of information and work with it in Excel to get the answers you need. Or simply import an entire web page, such as one containing sports scores, into Excel for further analysis.
How?
Excel automatically converts pages into a live Excel format so you can add your own data, chart the information, and share it with others.
Well, I guess if it's a static website, but nowadays, you know, usually the data is generated on fly. It comes from like API. So you would need all kinds of weird API requests or at least some JavaScript commands to get the scrape the data.
Microsoft Word 97.
So I don't think that will work anymore. That type of getting information from the net.
97 makes it easy to create professional-looking documents by automating tasks and working the way you work.
Yeah, Word is
everyday report
certainly the software I've most used in my life.
Enhancing features like autocorrect, spell it, and grammar check that automatically corrects typos, spelling, and grammatical errors as you type. Word's document map makes long, complex documents easier to read. Instead of scrolling through screen after screen of information, you can click on a heading in the document map and hyperlink directly to the information you want.
Death to typos. Microsoft helps me create accurate, correct documents by correcting my mistakes as I type. Concentrating on communicating my best ideas while Word dots my I's and crosses my T's. Although it's not idiot proof because, you know, it doesn't correct, like missing words usually, or wrong, or words that are correct but wrong in that context. Or like if you, for example, you're supposed to write B, but then you have two E's, B. Obviously it's incorrect. Probably won't detect that. And obviously so it's not context aware. I think AI is gonna help that because it understands the context and can realize that, okay, your word in this context is not, shouldn't be used. You shouldn't use B here.
A new drawing tool called Office Art provides a library of eye-catching shapes and effects that can be applied to your documents with a button click.
Why? Why would you want those?
A new table drawing tool lets you incorporate data right into your Word document. If you can use a pencil and eraser, you can create sophisticated, flexible tables.
Okay.
Microsoft Word's powerful new features make it easy to share information anywhere, from one desktop to another via email, the internet, or corporate intranets. If you're sending email, you can use WordMail as your email editor to gain all the flexibility and power of Word. Using Microsoft's
Yeah, I don't think anyone cares how your email message look in terms of font.
It's easy to create rich documents with links to additional pages and websites. For a professional look, use the Word Web Page Wizard. Predefined templates help you create graphically appealing home pages, menus, and auto-formatting with the click.
So you can make home pages with Publisher, front page. I think Access was also mentioned, and with Word. Where do you need front page?
Microsoft Office integrated applications make it easier for you to get work accomplished fast. For example, you can use the addresses you've already created in Outlook's address book function to help you get a running start on your letters in Word.
That's it. Okay. So yeah, I don't think there's anything else here. So, well, it was kind of interesting, I feel like if you really learn to use all these software, and they're not even talking about doing macros. So you can really get very efficient with your job if you really know these softwares and how to use them well.
Word 97 makes it easy to create professional-looking documents.
But yeah, nowadays things have moved on, and I think you need to in order to succeed in business life, you need to know more than just the basic functions of Microsoft Office. But yeah, well, I wonder, maybe I will check some later Office tutorials or samplers, and if there's any demos for system side administrator, server side stuff, even though I don't understand those. It would be interesting to see these demos for them. But yeah, that's all for now. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.